Are you a business owner, coach, or a consultant who struggle to get leads on your website? Then join my 5-day live LMF workshop. In the workshop, I help you create one-page website that looks exactly like this without any paid tools like ClickFunnels or swipe pages. This website can instantly increase the number of leads that you are getting. The beauty of this website is it comes with the installable Android and iOS app with your brand icon. And this website also has an inbuilt lead management system. When someone fills up their WhatsApp number on your website, it instantly appears here in the lead management system, and you can call them, send SMS or send WhatsApp messages. There are pre-configured buttons for sending WhatsApp messages. When you just click on single button, it automatically opens WhatsApp and you can just send pre-configured messages to your leads. In the 5-day live workshop, I help you set up all this, and this lead management system also works on your mobile phone, and I help you set up this also. Hi, I'm Jagan Krishna Raj. I'm a product developer by passion. I successfully created and run 2 online services, Responsive CV and Vedi, for the past 8 years. I served more than 100,000 people so far. So come learn from me, join my live LMF workshop and get these tools for your business, and this can change the way that you communicate with your clients forever. So I'm so excited to see you in the live workshop. Click on the sign up button below, join my live LMF workshop, and I'll see you in the live workshop.